Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the state university, and here not only the assistant professor, the professor as well as the associate professor vacancies are also there from the multiple departments, and opportunities are there for the candidates who are having only PhD as well as the UGC. So for both these two candidates here the opportunities are there, and you are going to get the 1500 rupees per lecture, guys. So before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then tap the bell icon, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, it is Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification regarding the advertisement for employment of visiting faculty in various departments. Fine. And you may check down here the information technology or computer science or artificial intelligence, electronics and communication engineering, applied science and humanities, management, as well as architecture and planning. Fine. So if you want to see the details regarding that, means details means eligibility conditions and how much amount you are going to get. Okay, so if you want to check all these things, just I'm showing the first applied sciences and humanities. So click on the guidelines here, and then you will be directed to one PDF. So it is a PDF where you will get the details regarding the mathematics, physics, and chemistry humanities. So you may check down. Applications are invited for the professor, associate, as well as the assistant professor as visiting faculty in the Department of Applied Science and Humanities to teach various courses of applied sciences and humanities to undergraduates, postgraduates, as well as the doctorate students. So mathematics, physics, chemistry, and humanities. Here the specializations are also mentioned. So you may check down. And the remuneration details, guidelines, and eligibility conditions, you may refer to the annexure one. So first of all, while coming to the eligibility conditions, the 3 criteria of persons or applicants will be considered for this part-time or guest or visiting faculty in the Department of Applied Sciences and Humanities. So 1 and 2 we may check down, guys. So while coming to the assistant professor category, so professor, associate, as well as the assistant professor. So the qualification required for the assistant professor is a master's degree with at least 55% of marks in the concerned or allied or the relevant disciplines. And apart from this one, the candidate must have the cleared the national eligibility test for lecturers conducted by the UGC or CSIR or a similar test accredited by the UGC like SLET or SET. And notwithstanding anything contain the subclasses 1 or 2 of above candidates who have been awarded a PhD in accordance with the UGC regulations, those candidates are exempted from the NET or SLET or SET. Okay, so from this point, if you are applying for the assistant professor, PG in the respective departments, that means whatever the departments are there here, so PG in these respective departments plus UGC NET or the CSIR NET qualification is enough, so you may apply for this one. And coming to the rate of remuneration, professor, associate professor 2000 rupees and assistant professor 1500 rupees per hour. And for faculty not covered under 1 and 2 but with requisite qualifications to teach the undergraduates, they will get the 1000 rupees. So for conducting the lab classes, 750 rupees per hour you will get. Fine. So it is one thing, regarding the applied sciences and humanities. And while coming to the management, so click on the guidelines and then you will be directed to the management. So first of all, you may check down the specializations here. Okay, and eligibility conditions I will show you. The remuneration is same. Remuneration is same as the previous one. So whatever we saw. And while coming to the qualifications for the assistant professor in management category, same, post graduation with 55% of marks. Along with that one, the candidate must have the UGC or CSIR NET or SLET qualification must be there. And the candidates who are having the PhD as per the regulations 2009, those candidates are exempted from the NET, SLET or SET qualification. Fine. So one more thing is also there, bachelor's degree in any discipline And first class master's degree in business administration or PG, DM or CA or MCOM or business management in a relevant management related discipline, or first class in 2-year full-time PG diploma declared equivalent by AU also apply for this one, and with 2 years of experience after the master's degree. Fine. So these are all the qualifications required for the management. And coming to the architecture and planning, so you may check down. So coming to the information technology, so for this one, the qualification is essential, just BTech or MTech. So PhD came under the desirable. So if you're having only post graduation, then you may apply for this information technology or computer science. And coming to the electronic science and communication also, you may check down essential qualifications BTech or MTech. Okay. And applications are invited in the Department of Electronics and Communication to teach the communication, basic electronics, VLSI, electrical, embedded systems, etc. Right. So these are the things mentioned. And in the same way, coming to the architecture and planning also, you may check down. So for this one, bachelor's degree in architecture or equivalent to BR with 60% of marks and 3 years of relevant professional experience, or else the master's degree. Fine. So these are all the qualifications mentioned, guys. You please check down. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you want to apply, you just click on the apply now. There is no application fee. Okay, you have to simply fill up the Google form and submit. Okay, so it is a Google form, guys. So you have to fill up the email, name, father's name, phone number, date of birth, and the recent passport size photograph, as well as the 10th class certificate, nationality, address, and alternate, and then click on the next. Fine. So total 5 pages are there. You have to submit. So submit all the 5 pages, and then your online submission form will be finished. Okay. So these are all the points regarding the advertisement for this visiting faculty in various departments. Hope this video will be helpful to you. If your subjects are not covered here, please mention your subjects in the comment section so that I will come up in my next video. Fine. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in the government universities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.